Hi you guys, I'm Kanai from Kanai's Palace, where you may slay and don't care what they say, and this is my entrepreneur life.
I'm not about to loud. We don't even talk, oh no more. So I'm not about to loud. You can't be no one else's. Cause I'm selfish,
Ooh, this ain't right. Well, hold on. Hey babes, it's Kanai here, and as y'all know me, I'm a keep it G. And in today's video, we are going to show you guys how to make your own credit card business cards using index cards. So let's get to it. Okay, babes. So in today's video, you are going to need index cards, a computer, and a printer. So also I use my cell phone, so if you guys can also use your cell phone as well, but a computer, you can use a computer, you can use your phone, but I use my phone, so but I require a computer, but I use my phone. So it's for my HP Tango all-in-one printer. So if you guys have that printer, then you guys have that app. If you don't have that app, then you probably have another app or something, or another type of software for your computer, to where you probably can or can't do it like this, the way I'm going to teach you. So if you get the HP all-in-one Tango printer, then you're good to go. So let's get into this video, you guys.
HP Smart app, and I click it, so it's going to pull up your various options you can choose from when you're trying to print. So I'm going to go to view and print. So I'm going to scroll down so you guys can see the options you can choose from. So when I click view and print, it's going to show me my files I can choose to print, and I'm going to click. So I'm going to size the picture the way I want of my business card. How I want it to look on my business card. I'm going to keep it on manual so I can freely size it. And then after that, I'm going to click print once I get through sizing it.
So you guys, as my printer is doing that, I have the front of the index card. Let me put it in the camera for you guys. This is the front of the index card. Okay, but the back, you want to get the back blank. So this is a gone wrong video. I think
dumb rapping bitch.
I'm gonna cry, but I'm still gonna post this video. So yeah, the back of mine have cards have lines on them, so you don't want to get the ones with the lines on them. I prefer not to get the ones with the lines on them, but I can work it out, and I'm going to come up with a beautiful design, and I am going to post it for you guys on my Instagram at Kanai's Palace, so you can follow me. The Instagram is right here, so you guys can just follow me, and you guys can just view my products, my newest upcoming products right here. These are my upcoming products for men's, and these are my upcoming products for women. So you guys can just go up on there and click to my Instagram and click the link in my bio. So yeah, to view my upcoming products. So yeah, I'm kind of sad. I
need a moment.
Not ready for this. I wasn't, ready for me to have a fail video just yet, you guys. So if you liked this video, like, comment, and subscribe. If you didn't still like this video, give it a thumbs up. Still comment, still share it. Let's get it. I'm gonna be back. Poof.
3 weeks later.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, I do want you guys to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys like and comment on this video. But I want to start shouting people out in my videos. So if you want a video shout out every Monday, sorry guys. So if you want a video shout out every Monday, make sure you comment your name and share it, and send me a screenshot when you share this video, and you might be able to get a shout out. You never know. Let's do this. Alright babes, you guys have fun, have a blessed rest of your quarantine time. Make sure you guys change and manifest and speak whatever you guys want into existence. Love you guys. Mwah. Ta-ta.